Welcome to our channel, where today we venture into the heart of modern warfare, a realm increasingly dominated by cutting-edge technology. We're about to embark on a countdown of the top 10 most expensive military drones on Earth, machines that represent the pinnacle of aerial superiority. These are not mere toys, but sophisticated instruments of power, some costing upwards of $405 million. Join me as we explore these marvels of engineering, these silent predators of the sky. Our journey begins with a Titan, the Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk. This behemoth, with a price tag exceeding the cost of 4 F-35 fighter jets, is in a league of its own. Imagine, if you will, a machine capable of staying aloft for over 34 hours, soaring at altitudes that dwarf Mount Everest, all the while keeping a watchful eye on the world below. This is the reality of the Global Hawk. Its advanced radar system can pierce through clouds and darkness, providing a constant stream of intelligence, while its remarkable range allows it to operate virtually anywhere on the globe. Next, we descend from the stratospheric heights of the Global Hawk to meet the MQ-9 Grey Eagle, a stalwart companion of the US Army. While not as exorbitantly priced as our previous entry, this drone at $21 million is no mere plaything. Picture this, a machine that can stay airborne for over a day, tirelessly patrolling the skies, its sensors scanning the landscape below for any sign of danger. This is the essence of the Grey Eagle, a drone designed for endurance and unwavering vigilance. Our exploration now takes us to the realm of autonomous helicopters, where the Northrop Grumman MQ-8 Fire Scout reigns supreme. Costing $15 million, this drone redefines the battlefield, providing a bird's-eye view without risking a single pilot. Imagine a helicopter, nimble and precise, hovering silently over a hostile environment, relaying real-time information back to its operators. This is the power of the Fire Scout, a machine that has become an indispensable asset to the United States Armed Forces. Chapter 4. Boeing MQ-25. Stingray, the sky's refueling station, we shift our focus now to a different kind of aerial prowess, one that doesn't involve missiles or bombs, but rather the lifeblood of any air force: fuel. The Boeing MQ-25. Stingray, at a cost of $13 million, is a marvel of aerial refueling, a lifeline for fighter jets far from friendly territory. Imagine this: a fighter jet low on fuel, its mission in jeopardy, when out of the sky appears the Stingray. This drone, with its graceful design and advanced refueling capabilities, can extend the reach of America's air power, ensuring that its pilots can complete their missions and return home safely. Chapter 5. Elbit Hermes 900, Israel's Eye in the Sky. Our journey now takes us to the Middle East, where we encounter the Elbit Hermes 900, a product of Israel's renowned technological prowess. This medium-sized drone, costing $10 million, is a testament to Israel's focus on tactical superiority. Imagine a machine that can remain aloft for over 30 hours, carrying a variety of payloads, from sophisticated cameras to advanced weaponry. This is the Hermes 900, a drone that has become a vital asset for the Israeli Defense Forces, providing them with unmatched situational awareness and the ability to strike with precision. Chapter 6. General Atomics Avenger, the Predator's Evolution. Returning to American soil, we encounter the General Atomics Avenger, a drone that carries a legacy, the successor to the famed Predator drone. Costing $12 million, the Avenger represents a leap forward in unmanned aerial combat. Imagine a machine, sleek and deadly, capable of speeds exceeding 460 miles per hour, armed with a variety of precision munitions. This is the Avenger, a drone that embodies the evolution of modern warfare, a testament to America's continued dominance in the skies. Chapter 7. Baykar Bayraktar, TB2, the People's Drone. Our journey now takes us to Turkey, where we encounter the Baykar Bayraktar TB2, a drone that has garnered international attention for its affordability and effectiveness. Costing a mere $5 million, a fraction of the price of its American counterparts, the TB2 has proven itself a capable and versatile platform. Imagine a drone, small but potent, capable of delivering precision strikes, conducting reconnaissance missions, and even providing close air support to ground troops. This is the TB2, a drone that has become a symbol of Turkey's growing technological might and a valuable export commodity. Chapter 8. At II-8, the Heron's larger cousin. We return to Israel, where we encounter the IAI-ITAN, also known as the Heron TP, a larger and more capable cousin of the renowned Heron drone. Costing $35 million, the ITAN is a testament to Israel's commitment to pushing the boundaries of unmanned aerial technology. Imagine a drone massive in size with a wingspan rivaling that of a commercial airliner, capable of carrying an array of sensors and weapons. This is the ITAN, a drone that has become a cornerstone of Israel's intelligence gathering and strike capabilities. Chapter 9, Wing Lung Te, the Dragon Takes Flight. Our penultimate stop takes us to China, where we encounter the Wing Lung II, a drone that embodies China's ambitions to become a global leader in unmanned aerial systems. Costing a mere $1 to $2 million, the Wing Lung II offers an attractive combination of affordability and capability. Imagine a drone, sleek and modern, capable of carrying a variety of precision-guided munitions, conducting surveillance missions, and providing support to ground forces. This is the Wing Lung II, a drone that has become a symbol of China's growing military might. Chapter 10, MQ9 Reaper, the Grim Harbinger. Our journey culminates with the MQ9 Reaper, a name that has become synonymous with the US drone program. Costing $33 million, the Reaper is a hunter-killer, designed to eliminate high-value targets with ruthless efficiency. Imagine a drone armed with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, capable of loitering over a battlefield for hours, waiting for the opportune moment to strike. This is the Reaper, a drone that has become both lauded and feared for its capabilities, a symbol of America's controversial drone warfare program. As we conclude our exploration of these aerial marvels, we are left in awe of the rapid advancements in drone technology. These machines, once the stuff of science fiction, have become an integral part of modern warfare, shaping the battle space of the 21st century. If you found this journey into the world of military drones as fascinating as I did, then this channel is your window into the future of defense technology. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about the latest advancements in military hardware and strategic analysis. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.